with Mr. Niraj Shah at ENGIMACH 2026. Shreeraj Industries, probably one of the finest component manufacturers.
Yeah,
or
we are in
accessory.
oil and gas.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, when we are speaking about oil and gas,
Yeah.
what sort of a machine you use?
When oil and gas is there, we always look for the rugged machines. It's like a 24 hours, like running all the time, zero maintenance, and it always have the heavy machining, heavy cutting always we require. And we always look forward that when the machines should be cut, like it should be to take the heavy cuts and uniform cuts. That's the main our requirement, and 24 hours running cycle.
Niraj sir, even when I see, particularly in oil and natural gas, the machine size is always humongous.
Yeah.
Okay, so that the length of any sort of a parts what you are going to be manufacturing is also takes a toll on it.
It depends on the product. But
Okay.
always the machines are always we consider the bigger size because of the we always look for the component always gets smaller than the machine. So machine should have always need the heavy cut. The material itself is such a way that we have to give them heavy engineering. So the machines always been a bigger size in respect to the other. We never cut for an example, for my product I never cut 20 or less than 5 mm or 2 mm machines unless it is precise machining. Where the other machines in market you can see that is they cut less than 1 mm or small cuttings for the machining. And when there is a requirement of the forgings, we have in oil and gas it always been cut all the big cuts and big depth of cuts.
Niraj sir, you are only focused in the domestic market because
No.
you are into oil and natural, always,
I
always.
supply around the world.
Okay.
I used to supply in USA, Middle East and everywhere, including the Far East also. So India is one of my markets. My all products are going around the globe.
Speaking of your floor,
Yeah.
where you manufacture, how many machines you have, machine lines you have?
Right now, if I consider I have in-house and outside 2 units. My products are almost running on hundreds of machines.
Okay.
But in my company, I have more than 25 machines. Especially out of that, 20 to 25% is over the supplies, like a Mazak and other. Everything by Bells is most of them BFW. So I have I can say since 2018 I'm using the BFW.
Okay.
Now I have a maximum is the BFW replace all the old machines and other.
So how many machines we have of BFW?
Right now we have more than 12 machines in for BFW.
Okay. Very specific to BFW, which is the model you have it?
I have 1200 VDL, I have a 700, I have BMCs, couple of sizes, different sizes. It's all right others, and one is the turning. Turning is one, others are multiple machines I have.
Speaking of these BFW machines, have you come across any sort of a downtime for your machines whereby it was addressed quickly? and
Service is always good. I am directly connected to your agency. So Mr. Honda always been available 24 hours. I can say in the midnight I sometimes call and he is arrange the service in the early morning. So service part is very good. Apart from that, downtime is very rare, subject to some power fluctuation or maybe some other accident made by my people or other areas. Otherwise, there is no particular machine side I have never faced a problem.
Okay. Which means the bottom line, we can say it is a good machine. Okay.
For the industries.
What is the message you would like to give it to your peers for BFW machines?
I like to say, yeah, if you want the machinery, run 24 hours 7 and all the time you have heavy machining or rugged machining requirement, you always go for the BFW. That is the best part from the BFW.